What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, turn on your post notifications. Today's video is going to be a product review. I just got something in the mail, as you can see here, and we're gonna go ahead and crack this box open. By the thumbnail, you already know what it is, but I'm just gonna go ahead and show you the contents of what's in the box, what comes with the product. Also, fill you all in on how it is used. I've never used this product before, so it's going to be first time for both of us. If you have used it, let me know in the comments what you think of it. I'll give you my opinion on what I think of it, and show y'all how to use it, and show y'all, trial and error how it works for me. So I have used a lot of different color enhancements. I used the Tune 45, no drip. I've used the Kiss Express. I've used Beijing. So there's tons of color enhancement out there, but we're gonna go ahead and dive into this Pacinos color enhancement and let y'all know how it works for me.
Look, I just flipped the switch.
So we got our box here. Go ahead and open this up. I don't even know what company, Pharma Packs. I've never heard of it, but I did order this on Amazon, and I'm gonna go ahead and see how this turns out. But here you go. Comes in a little baggie. You have your beard pencil filler. It says waterproof, long-lasting, a natural look, and it says a forehead detailer, as you can see right here. So it has like 4 little prongs on the actual brush that you can use to put on the beard and spread out the color evenly. This is by Pacinos signature line. If you don't know who Pacinos is and you're a barber, you might want to go ahead and Google him. He's one of the biggest names in barbering, product lines, stuff like that. His stuff is sold at Target. He's done a really big, a really good job, of making a name for himself in the barber cosmetology, community. So go look up Pacinos if you don't know who it is. But he's also had, tons of other products and stuff like that. But this right here, it caught my eye for the fact being, I do a lot of color enhancement on a lot of people. So I just, figured this could probably make my job a little bit easier, but we'll see. We'll see how it works out. But it's just the ease of using a pen, to put the color on and then just go over with a brush. It seems pretty simple. Rather than having to, mix the color if you do with Beijing, you have to let the color set, stuff like that. Kiss Express gets kind of messy as well. You gotta find something, a little dish to put it in or whatever. And then, it dries up fast if you don't have it. So this, I don't know, this is just already pre-packaged inside a container that's gonna stay in the container and I can use to put in beard. So I'm not sure how long it lasts. It says it is a patch filler, so that happens with a lot of our clients. They do patch up and they want that full looking beard. I already dropped the brush, but here is the brush. Your typical, brush, fade brush type brush that you get at your barber supply store. I got a red one at my station that I use, that I got from a barber supply here, but nothing special. You got your bristles on here. They're somewhat soft to help, maneuver that color a bit once you lay it down. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all how I apply it and how it works for me. So this is the dark brown color, you can see there. But let's get to the application portion of the video.
What's good, everybody? So you can see here for the application process, what we are doing first is combing out the hair so we have a clean canvas to lay this color enhancement down. I'm going ahead and using the razor work. We're gonna get this done before we lay the color enhancement down. That way we have an idea of where we're gonna lay the color enhancement before we actually get to that portion. Now, the prep work is always gonna be the longest and I feel the most necessary for color enhancement. You wanna make sure that everything is prepped before you actually lay that color down. Now you can see here it has those 4 prongs and I'm just laying in the color enhancement right next to that ash line, and that's our barrier of where this color is gonna stop. And once I get it all laid in there, I go ahead and take a brush and I start trying to brush that color in. Now, during this process, it was a little bit difficult for the fact being this is a pencil, so the ink dries extremely fast. So it was hard to maneuver the color the way I wanted it, the way I wanted to. It was hard to manipulate that process, but I did the best I could do with the canvas I had and for not using this product ever. So with time, anything will always get better. You get the reps and you'll be able to figure out how to use, you know, that specific color enhancement to the best of your ability. You know, trial and error is the way that we learn things. Now I am laying that pencil in little bald spots or dark areas in his beard, and it does make it look a lot more full. It gives it a much fuller look. So, you know, this is a, you know, it is a good idea for, you know, people who don't really want like a large amount of color enhancement on. They do want little spots filled in, like little patches and stuff like that, maybe the edge up portion on the top of the beard. And right here I did lay some alcohol down on my razor blade to help maneuver that color and manipulate it a lot easier. So you can see here that line is coming out nice and crispy. But you know, for $13, a product for $13, you know, ease of use, it is convenient. So, you know, that's the application process for this right here. You can see me brushing it a little bit more, but it came out pretty well. It came out pretty nice, given not ever using this product before. So, you know, I suggest you go try to get you this pencil. It's like $13. Try it out, see what you think. But that is the application process for this video, and we'll go ahead and get the final pan over the entire beard here in just a second. But thanks for checking this application process out. But here's the final look for the beard after we got it all edged up.
What's good, everybody? So you've seen the application process using the beard pencil filler that I got here from Pacinos. Came with the brush like you saw. I will say that I wish that I got a darker shade for the clientele that I have. I have a lot more darker haired clients. So this dark brown is a lighter, you know, color than I would have desired, but you know, I'll have to go back and try to get the black color. But I did try to pick my coworker with the lighter shade beard. That way we could blend it as much as we possibly could with this shade. And you can see how it came out. I will say that I wish that this was a little bit more liquefied. Reason being, it would be a lot more easier to maneuver the color, and just to be able to edge it up a lot easier, to spread it out, to blend it with the beard. This is, like it says, a pencil, so once you lay it down, it's practically already dry, so you're just maneuvering, you know, whatever dry color you have. So it's a little bit more difficult to, you know, work with that and manipulate how you want it to come out. So if it was a little bit more liquefied, I feel like it would be perfect. You'll be able to maneuver it a lot more easier. But I don't know how long it lasts yet, so I'll have to get back with you on that. I put it in my coworker's beard today. It is Wednesday, so we'll see how long it lasts in his beard throughout this week. But I'd say go get it. Go get yourself, you know, this product. It's very inexpensive. It's like $13. You can get it on Amazon, and they ship very, very fast. It was here within like 3 days, so very expeditious on that. Pacinos comes out with a lot of good products, so I just thought that I would try this out and see how it would work, you know, with my specific clientele and my specific services. I would just say, if you have darker haired clients, go ahead and go with the black color, not the dark brown, and just see how it works for you. You know, the best thing you can do is, you know, try something out. If it doesn't work, you can give it to one of your coworkers, or, you know, somebody who would need to use it. But other than that, if you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, turn your post notifications for future videos to come. Follow me on Instagram at jblends_. And until next time, God bless.